this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and my kitchen. I'm having a cooking day today because basically this bacon needs using up. I've told you about these before. They're 500 grams of what's classed as cooking bacon for 90p. And as you can see, there is some fat on it, but Mason likes having those treats. I can't talk today. But I've got 4.5 packs of these to use up. So I've already cooked some up and it's in the freezer. But I think I'm going to make meals out of these. So let me just trim all the fat off and cut them into the equivalent of lardons. Now, out of that bacon, I have got this much. 4.5 pounds of bacon is a lot. My frying pan's not going to be big enough to do the bacon and so I'm going to do it in 2 lots. Too hot for that one. Oh, yeah. Definitely have to do 2 lots. So I'll get on with that. Yeah, be quick here because batteries are running low. My bacon I pulled out and I split in the 2 pans the onions, celery and carrots. I'm just going to fry them off a bit, using up the fat that's in there. I'm adding salt and pepper as I go. So I'll see you back here in a minute. I've changed from my spare battery and there's next to no charge in that one either, so I'm annoyed if I'm going to have to invest in a new camera. Right, I've split this into thirds. 1/3 in here and 2/3 in here. Because that can slowly cook while I slowly deal with this one. I don't want it cooking all the way through. I don't need it cooking all the way through. But what I'm going to do is add quite a few cooked potatoes. And as I'm doing, it's salt and pepper it as I go. Once these potatoes have softened a bit, I will put some bacon in them. Oh, I want some sweet peppers in there as well. So far, 2 meals done. I haven't been showing them because my batteries, I've got my spare battery and that's got next to no charging. So I'm trying I'm trying to charge the battery from my older camera. But this is like a bacon and potato veg bake. And I think I'm going to put breadcrumbs on top of them. These are a bacon, like a cottage pie, but based with bacon rather than minced beef. And now I'm going to do a bacon lasagna. So this is a pack of butter. I don't know how much is there. Just put a load of it in. And some flour. Change up a bit. Sorry about the noise. Need a little bit more flour. That should be enough. Oh, I am the world's messiest cook, I think. So I'll let that cook for a bit. It's just to cook off the raw flour taste. Although I've never had a problem with it. But everyone says you're supposed to do it like that. So I'm adding a load of milk to it. Don't know how much. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to have to keep pausing this so you don't hear the terrible scratching noise of my whisk. Salt, pepper. Now, do I want anything else in it? Let's have a thunk. Yeah, I'm going to leave it plain. So I'll bring that up to a boil and that should start thickening. This is a white sauce. To make a cheese sauce, all you do is add cheese to it. But I think I'm just going to have a white sauce. A load of milk in. If it doesn't thicken up, I'll add cheese to thicken it a bit. So it's now just assembling. So I'm doing these two. So I want some of the meat stuff on the bottom just to stop the pasta from sticking. So, me being a messy cook again. And pasta sheets. These are not the ones that say that you don't have to cook them first, because I've done this no end of times and never had a problem. As long as you make sure that the pasta is covered with all of the liquidy stuff. And we'll put another layer of meat. The bacon. Make sure you get it all over. Use that. And then it's the white sauce turn. See, even got it on me splashback now. So that, put pasta on it again. These might fit now. No, it doesn't. Yeah, the battery on the other camera died, so I've finished these off now. So that's 2 bacon and veg casserole things, 2 bacon cottage pies, and 2 lasagnas, bacon lasagnas. On top of these I'm going to put some breadcrumbs, but I need to sit down at the moment. I am in so much pain. So, thank you for watching. Bye!
It's a